What's up, everybody? We're out here at Seiberling Farms today, and we're just talking about how to keep the birds out of the corn. What you're hearing that is a bird distress system, and it keeps the birds out.
You don't see any birds.
No birds.
And over here we have a fake falcon. So the combination of the two really puts an end to the blackbird situation out here. What do you say, Billy? Blackbirds can move in and knock out an acre of corn in less than an hour.
Yeah.
That's how big the plots are, and that's how... Oh, what was that?
I forgot they got cannons out here too. Air-powered cannons. You can never have enough protection against the birds. For a minute I thought there were some wild hillbillies over there, but it's just the cannon. You got to protect the corn. This is money in people's pockets, and these are just a couple ways that you guys at home, at your farm, even at your house, put these up. Just tell your neighbors and see how much you can get.